There's Zumo.
Mamo.
Zumo.
Zizi.
There's Zizi.
Zizi.
Thanks, Zumo. Hi, Olivia. Hey. Hi. That's a lamp. You don't need to touch that, baby. Olivia, where's Snoopy? Where's Snoopy? Where's Snoopy? Fan, yes. That is a fan.
Hi.
Hi, fan.
Hi.
Hi, fan. Where's Snoopy? Where's Snoopy?
Pee.
Oh, there's a P right there. Yeah.
Pee. Pee.
There's another one. Where's another P? Oh, there's one. There's another P. You're welcome.
Pee.
And where's the third P? I don't see the P. I don't see it in the pod. Is it hiding? Where's the third P? Where's the third one? I think it's probably in the bed already. Is it hiding? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I don't see it. It's a mystery. I don't know, babe. I don't know.
Silver. Silver.
I love you.
Silver.
I love you.
Peace.
Where's Peace? Where's another P? Maybe it's... Nope. Not behind there. Oh, I think I found it. I think I found it, Olivia. I think it's behind the chair. Don't know how it got there. Yay! Third P is found. All is well in the world. Can you say help me? Wow, what was that ballet move you just did with your foot? You want me to help you? Whoa, look at that ballet move. Auntie Suze is going to be so proud. Auntie Suze. She's going to be so proud. Auntie Suze. Socks. Put your leg up again like a ballet bar. A ballet bar. That was pretty snazzy. 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 Can you say help me? Can you say help you? Help you? Share. Heavy. Olivia was playing around in her crib like she was going to take a nap. She was laying around. I thought, that's funny. She just loves her crib because it's so comfortable. She was snuggling with her blankets. Share. Pop. He's at home. He's at his home. Can you say I love you? Mimi, where's Mimi? She's at her house. Mimi and Pop. Pop. Can you say I love you? Pop's at his house. Pop's at his house. Pop. Hi. Bye. Where's your doggy? Doggy. All done. Okay. Baby.
Let me.
I love you.
Touch it.
Okay.